So guys, let me tell you guys the secret, like the honest truth about white secret. Yeah, that cream has damaged a lot of souls, that's damaged a lot of skin, it has caused a lot of pain, but that cream is not really that bad. Yes, I know people are buying it because it's very cheap, and the cream is not really bad, it's not that bad, but we are the one that's making it to look bad. We are the one that is abusing the cream. So guys, but before I continue with this installation, if today is the first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Fresh with Wild. Welcome back to my channel. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. We drop video on this channel every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like every day. Sometimes we drop 2 videos in a day, so it is amazing, right? So you can get anything, any information, any information at all you need for your skin, you can get it in this channel. Name them, and if there is any video you want me to make for you, like you want to know about this particular product or cream or soap or what to use to get a glowing skin like mine, just drop the comments in the comment section and I will answer you like immediately. Let's talk about this white secret lotion. Recently I've been seeing some people like videos like how to mix white secret lotion in a way that it will not damage your skin, how to a whole lot of them, but I think I've not seen one that didn't say the truth about this lotion. Yes, you know why I say so? Because this lotion is good and at the same time it's bad. This is how you can use this lotion and it will work for you. You get what exactly you want. This is what I want you to know about this lotion. This lotion contains a lot of chemical. It contains a lot of whitening products. This is not meant. A lot of people are misunderstanding that lotion. Some people are calling this a lightening lotion. Some people are calling it a brightening lotion. Some people are calling it exfoliating lotion. Why the lies? It's not a lightening lotion, either is it a brightening lotion. This is it. When I said it's not even just whitening, this is a strong whitening lotion. And if you want to whiten your skin, maybe you're dark before, you want to whiten your skin, you can't just jump into a whitening product like White Secret, Caro White and all that. You can't just jump into it. You need to start up from, let me say, like Nivea, to brighten up your skin, like gradually. You cannot just jump from A to Z. No, you have to start. You have to count from 1 to 3 down. So this is why people get this lotion wrong. But as a first person, if you're using this lotion, you will notice that it's just whitening your skin with no issues. But the truth is that when you're using White Secret or all these chemicals lotion, make sure that you have a target. Make sure that this is what you want. You want your skin to give you. You want it to give you just one shade lighter. Then you will stop it. But a lot of people will use this cream for over a year. Use the cream like, even if it's ordinary lotion, so if you're using like that, definitely it will give you like side effects, because you have to at least give your skin a break. You have to allow your skin to breathe. Not every time whitening. So this lotion, if you want to use this lotion and when you come out, people will be like, what are you using? This is the only thing you need to do. Number 1, have a target. Yes, when you're using all these chemical products, have a target. Your target should be like, yes, I'm 1 shade lighter and I want to add another shade lighter, just 1 shade lighter, right? Then, and glow. Okay, but when you don't have a plan, when you don't have a target, you just want the cream to, at the initial time, to whiten you. Like when you use it a week, 2 weeks, you will see your skin whitened. As in, you will love your skin. Yes, that is just the truth. You will love your skin at the initial time. But when it gets like, when you use the first one, the second one, the third one, my dear, that is when the repercussion occur. That is when you start seeing like stretch mark, green vein, dark knuckles, and dark feet. The chemical there is too much. So you need to minimize how you use it. If possible, you can mix the jojoba oil, you can add coconut oil inside and carrot oil. These 3 oil, mix it together and use it in the daytime, and that lotion, use it 2 times in a week, and come back and tell me what happened. Come back and give me review. So a lot of people are tagging the lotion bad, like that. They're giving it a bad name because people are misusing it. It's not that the cream is that bad, or this is what I have experienced. Yes, this is what I have experienced, because each time I see something, I will try as much as possible to go through it, to know the in and out, and know where the problem is coming from. So that is me for you. So if you use that lotion like that, my dear, even there is no organic seller, or no matter what, even supplement that will give you the kind of glowing and spotless and flawless skin that cream will give you. This is what I've experienced. You guys know that this is not my product, right? And I'm not marketing it for anybody, but I'm just telling you the truth. I understand the fact that people are buying it because it's cheap, and they are not using it because it's cheap. It is, if you finish, they will go and buy another one. That is just it. Because if you are getting that cream now, one 10,000 or one 5,000 naira, when you're using it, you use it that I don't want this cream to finish on time. But when you're getting it 1,000 naira, 700 naira, it's none of a business. It's just small money. Do you understand? It's just more money. So only thing I advise in this lotion is that if you're using this lotion, if you want to get that whole glowing, spotless and flawless skin, make sure you use this just 2 times in a week. The same thing with Caro White. See a lot of people using this Caro White and White Secret every day. Use it in the morning, use it in the afternoon, use it at night. Like anytime you take your bed. How on earth do you expect the cream not to give you stretch mark and green vein? On top this hot sun, on top this sun where they hot like oil, you see the rub cream. It's not even ordinary cream, but Caro White Secret chemical cream come out. How you want your skin to burn? Like which kind of style of burn skin do you want? Because it will burn you, like it will burn your skin. So if you're using all these chemical products, you have to do it with sense. You have to. I've seen someone that is using that White Secret, and that is even what makes me to make this video, because when I see, I was like, which cream are you using? She said Caro White. She said White Secret, sorry. So when she was like, this is how I use it, I was like, what? She's using the Caro White. She mixed Vaseline, this blue what is it called, Vaseline, with jojoba oil and coconut oil. Come and see her skin. My own skin no reach her own skin. So if you want to use this because it's cheap, only thing I advise is do it with sense. Use it 2 times in a week. Then use your moisturizer the rest of the days. Okay? Not using it in the morning, using it anytime you feel like. No, it's gonna burn your skin. This is a chemical product. And that cream is basically made for people that has stubborn skin. But some people don't ask question. If you see review, you just rush and go and buy. Ask question. Yes, ask question. Make sure that this, even if you don't know about it, if you go to the seller, ask the seller, please, I'm the one using this. This is what I want. Can it give me what I want? Is it okay for my skin? No, you cannot ask the question. Just go and carry it. And after everything, you just be tagging it a bad name. Not even you buying it is the problem. The problem there is that you still misuse it. No, cream, no matter, even if it's not Caro White, even if it's not Caro 2, no matter cream you're using, it's not advisable to use your cream in the daytime. No, use it at night. Okay? Only if like people that is outside the country, like people places there is no much sun, it's still okay, it's still manageable. Not in this Nigeria. So if you're using White Secret, this is the only thing you need to do. Use it 2 times in a week. Yes, 2 times in a week, and get Vaseline. Get Vaseline and add jojoba oil and coconut oil, and mix together and be using it as your moisturizer. Do you understand? Just do this in just 1 month, and come back and tell me what happened. Come back and tell me, guys. I just feel like sharing this with you guys, and I know it's gonna be helpful, because it's not everybody that has the money, that kind of money to even know. They say that na money we get a chance they go bank. Not everybody that has the money to come and be buying organic or expensive cream just to glow. You don't need to break your bank to glow. Okay? They said cut your clothes according to your size. So this White Secret, I'm just trying to tell you that it's not a bad cream. It's not a bad cream. The cream is very, very good. Okay, and another thing is, I will even see, I've seen someone that mixed Caro White with pigmentos. I don't understand. White secret, sorry, with pigmentos serum. I don't understand. What do you want? No. What is the color of your problem? Mixing Caro White and pigmentos and use it on your body. You still use it every day, and you don't want the cream to burn you. Who? Good. In fact, this country is just, I don't even know. So guys, I'm just trying to explain something to you guys, and I just hope that you understand. If you want to use White Secret or Caro White, do it with sense. I can remember then that I used Caro White. The cream brightening me, but it does not give me any issues, because I don't like using cream every day. And if you're using that cream, if you want to get a scrub, get a coffee scrub. Yes, if you're using this cream like Caro White, White Secret, and use moisturizer to follow it up, and you'll see your skin glowing. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand this video. But if you don't understand, maybe there is something confusing, or there is you don't really get what I said, you can ask question. I'm always available here for you guys. But only thing I'm begging is just to subscribe, please. Guys, I am begging in the name of God. Don't just watch my video and go like that, please. Just subscribe to my channel. You just click that red button and just subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys.